Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 17 Brian Roberts' house. This is a fantastic one-bedroom, first-floor, purpose-built retirement apartment in the heart of Herne Bay. Now, this is a rare opportunity as this property does come with a balcony, a very, very rare opportunity indeed. Coming straight through off of the main entrance hallway space, we've taken a quick look there at the modern family shower room, and then of course in the bedroom here, of course you've got plenty of space, not only for the double bed, but for plenty of storage on the left hand side as well. The hallway space here is light and bright and airy, and do have plenty of space to work with the airing cupboard and the utility cupboard behind you. Coming through into the lounge and kitchen area here, you can see that you've got a fantastic sized kitchen with plenty of space for appliances and plumbing there for the washing machine. We'll head out onto the balcony to take a look at the view that we've got here, but of course it's all about location, with this one being right smack bang in the centre of Herne Bay. Now, I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at number 17 Brian Roberts' house with us today. I'm sure you have plenty of questions for us. And don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.